Welcome to this video on symbology, using shapes to communicate information. Today we're exploring how shapes become powerful tools for creating icons and symbols that share ideas instantly and across languages. Take this icon of 3 trees, for example. It's easy to infer that it represents a forest. Or this sign, a bicycle with a strike-through line, clearly indicating no bikes allowed. Contrast that with another sign showing an icon of a dog, which tells us dogs are welcome on the city streets. When navigating a new city anywhere in the world, apps like Google Maps help a lot, but sometimes you just need to spot things quickly, like a restaurant. Symbols like this make it clear, even if you don't speak the local language, Chinese. Here's a Japanese sign warning of construction hazards. Once again, it's not necessary to speak the language. In this one, the message is crystal clear. Park here and you will get towed. So how do we design icons to communicate effectively? Take a moment. How many of these symbols can you identify? Some are obvious, like a fire extinguisher or camping ground, while others, like a lighthouse or tunnel, might be new to you. Many symbols are also location specific. In Santa Cruz, you will see surfer crossing signs because it's a daily occurrence. In Lake Tahoe, you might spot bear crossing signs warning that wildlife can appear at any time. Clear, concise symbols are essential. In an emergency, you don't have time to guess their meaning. Because sometimes things happen and you don't have the time to figure it out. Symbols also play a huge role in branding. You know you're on Facebook, YouTube, or Amazon because of their icons instantly connect you to their services. But what drives the creation of new symbols? Think about it for a moment. What's constantly changing in our world? Think logically. What is constantly changing? Take a few more seconds to think. The answer is technology. We wouldn't need traffic symbols if the automobile wasn't invented. Here's some modern examples: Wi-Fi, USB, and the refresh icon. Interestingly, the USB symbol is already being replaced by the USB-C icon as technology evolves. None of these existed in my grandfather's time. The technology simply wasn't there. Even I didn't grow up with these icons. They only appeared after I graduated high school. The refresh symbol debuted in 1994, the same year the internet launched. The Y symbol followed in 1998, but it took years before most people recognized it, as early cell phones didn't even have the Wi-Fi capabilities. So here's my challenge to you. Take a week and observe how often and how many symbols you observe. You'll be amazed by how much information you absorb just by noticing the icons around you. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope it's given you a new perspective on shapes and symbols and how they help us communicate across barriers.